Today we are reading Bumble and Bee, Don't Worry, Be Happy by Ross Burak. We will be reading one of 3 stories in this video. You can search Don't Worry, Be Happy through my videos for all 3 stories and for more laugh out loud funny and social emotional learning educational books. After the video, stay tuned for reading questions and educational activity ideas and visit learnmertonbooks.com for free learning principles you can use today. Please like, share, and subscribe to Learn Merton Books for more read-along stories with comprehension questions. Now let's read Don't Worry, Be Happy. A bad case of the hiccups. Squirt, honey. Hiccup, hiccup, hiccup. Poor Froggy has a bad case of the hiccups. Hiccup! We must help our friend, but how? We will scare the hiccups out of Froggy. Froggy will be so happy. How do we scare Froggy? By using the element of surprise! Ah! But first we have to ask what Froggy is scared of. Hiccup! Froggy, hiccup, what? What are you afraid of? Hiccup! Bears, I guess. Why? Oh, no reason. Tee-hee-hee. Hiccup, 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 hiccup. Squeeze, squirt, honey. Splat. Slurp. Hiccup, hiccup. Grr, yummy. Ah! Froggy, are your hiccups cured? Yes. Why? Did you two have something to do with this? Let's just say you are very welcome. What was your favorite part of this story? Pause the video after each question to draw, write, or discuss your answers. What happened in the story first, next, then, and last? What is the setting of the story? When and where does it happen? Who is in the story? Name the characters and describe them. What is the main conflict or problem? How and why do the characters respond to the problem and solve it? What do the characters learn in the story, or what can you learn from them? What is the lesson or theme? What can you learn from this story, and how can you apply it to your own life? Write or draw what you can learn from this very silly story, or draw your favorite characters or scenes. You can draw Froggy by pausing this video and following the steps on this screen. What's your story? Bumble and Bee are doing a waggle dance. What is your favorite kind of dance? Who do you like to dance with? What kind of music will you play? Write and draw your story. Please like, share, and subscribe to Learn Merton Books for more read-along stories with questions, drawing, and writing activities. Visit learnmertonbooks.com for principal and play-based, no prep, pre-K, or K-12 curriculum and free learning activities for homeschool or the classroom. Click the link below the video to buy this book, or search my videos for all 3 stories in this book and all of my laugh out loud, funny, and educational social emotional learning books. Thank you for reading with me.